First, open the XAMPP folder. Inside the XAMPP folder, open the Apache folder. Next, open the configuration folder. Then, open the httpd.conf file in a text editor. Press Ctrl+F and search for document root. Click Find Next until you find the document root entry. The path specified there is your root folder. Make a note of it. Now, open the htdocs folder in VS Code. Since htdocs is my root folder, I will create an .htaccess file inside it. For demonstration purposes, I will configure it to handle for 0 for errors. I will specify the file path of my custom for 100 for error page in the code. Now, if we click on a link and the page is not found, our custom error page will be displayed.